Cyber criminals are getting smarter. Are you? Experts Academy, in partnership with First City Providential College. Launches the Bachelors of Science in Information Technology with specialization in cyber security. Advance your knowledge in the field of cybersecurity.
Build expertise in forensics, investigation, cyber operations, cyber defense, cyber analytics, incident handling, vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, and threat analysis. The program is designed for existing professionals.
And earn your second degree in just 1.5 years, while achieving industry security certifications. Comptia Security Plus, CySA Plus, and PenTest Plus. All existing industry certifications will be credited. What's more, is that you can enjoy 250 cyber ranges under a self-paced learning program, mentored by known security experts, and access the course anytime and anywhere. We need someone smart, someone brave, someone dedicated enough. It's time to get trained. It's time to get certified. It's time to be a hero.